Sure. Here's a YouTube article, script style, for a V camera pans across the sleek new design of the Lada Granta voiceover. Russia's best-selling budget car is back and it's had to glow up. Say hello to the new Lada Granta 2026. But is it still the unbeatable value it used to be, or has it moved into new territory? Let's break it down. Section 1A Design Exterior 045, clips of the car from different angles voiceover. The 2026 Granta now rides on a freshened-up version of the proven platform, with sharper lines, a wider grille, and LED daytime running lights that finally make it look like it's from this decade. While it's still compact, the design feels bolder, with inspiration drawn from the Lada Vesta and Zray concepts. Section 2A Interior Tech A130, Interior Shots, close-ups of infotainment, seats, dashboard voiceover. Inside, the Granta surprises. A redesigned dash with soft-touch materials, a 7-inch touchscreen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and even heated seats in higher trims. It's still no luxury cabin, but for a budget car, it's impressive. Section 3A Engine Performance A230, Engine Bay, Road Test Footage Voiceover. Under the hood, the 2026 Granta offers two engine options, a 1.6-liter naturally aspirated unit with 90 or 106 horsepower. Paired with a 5-speed manual or a new CVT option, it promises fuel efficiency over thrills. But for city driving, it gets the job done and then some. Section 4A Safety Features A330, voiceover. Lada's stepping up its safety game. The new Granta includes electronic stability control, hill start assist, and multiple airbags even in the base model. That's a big win for families on a budget. Section 5A Pricing Verdict A415, pricing graphics on-screen voiceover, starting at around 950,000 rubles or about $10,000 as it remains one of the most affordable new cars in its class. While some corners are clearly cut to keep that price low, the new Granta strikes a balance between value and modern features.